Hey, you're looking for some free stuff? Stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my first ever giveaway, and the first company that has sponsored this giveaway is Super Clean. They sent me out this degreaser aerosol can, and they also sent me out this spray bottle. Same product, just different ways of sending them out. Stay tuned. During this video I'm going to be showing you the product, but I'm also going to tell you how you can register to try to win these sent directly to you at no cost to you. If you're one of my YouTube subscribers, or if you go through my channel, you notice that a lot of my videos deal with barbecuing and smoking. So I'm gonna focus what these babies can do on that. So before we continue, I just want to go over some of the things that you might want to know in regards to this giveaway. Again, winners will receive this aerosol can, and they'll also use this spray can of the same product. To begin with, it's free. It's totally free. You don't have to buy anything. You don't have to purchase anything. We are literally giving this free with no strings attached. Also, I'm gonna be selecting a winner once my subscription count goes up to 7,000. Right now I'm in the mid 5,000s. So once I hit 7,000, that is when I will do the giveaway. Third, even if you're previously subscribed, you can still enter the contest, and I'll show you how later on in the video. Whoever the winner is, I am not going to be sending this stuff to you. Super Clean themselves is going to go ahead and send them out directly from their headquarters. The winners will be selected at random, and you must have entered the Google form that I'm going to have on the link on the description below. Okay, so those are some of the ground rules for the contest. YouTube is not sponsoring this. They're not backing this at all. This is just strictly between me and Super Clean. They wanted me to try out their products, and they wanted me to do a little giveaway. I'm also going to go over some of the things you have to do in order to win this contest. But for now, enough talking. Let's go ahead and see these babies in action. The first one that I'm going to try out is this foam right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get you a little bit close up to my grill here, or my grate. It's normal use. It's been used. You can tell there's grease trapped in there. Usually what I do is I just clean this up before the next cook, but this is a perfect way to illustrate how good this product is. See, there's gunk there. Just look at the back. There's a lot of goodness on there. All right, so I'm gonna use the foam here so you can see how and where it's being applied. I'm gonna try not to cut away as much as possible so that you guys can see what it does. All right, so a quick little shake right here, and I'm just gonna use the foam right here. So I gave it a couple of minutes to work its magic. What I'm gonna do is, it does say not to allow it to dry on the surface. So I'm just gonna give it one more spray before I start using this. And all I got here was some water in this pan, so you guys, or this little pot, so you guys can see how much of the grease is gonna be coming off. A simple sponge, and this stuff melts off. What they want you to do is actually just use water to bring it down, but I wanted to show you at least the edges, how effective this thing is, or this stuff is. I'm gonna bring it in here. All that dirtiness. You can already see there's quite a bit of a difference already. Just with that, look at that dirtiness right there. So while we wait for this to work a little bit more, I wanted to go over the very first thing you are going to have to do in order to qualify to win. First thing is, for sure you want to watch this entire video, because you won't find out all the steps unless you watch the entire video. So that's step number 1, and I'll give you also step number 2. I need you to like this video as well. So the first 2 steps are watch this video and like the video. All right, so I'm going to knock the grease off with a simple little bit of pressure from my water hose here. All right, so as you can see, just with a little bit of TLC, I haven't even done the back yet, which I'm not going to because I have other stuff to clean. But that's what the back that's what the front used to look like. Get a little closer. I haven't applied anything here, and then this is what the front looks like, nice and clean. You can almost see the original color here. And then I'm gonna put this down already, just so you can see. This is just a demonstration. I'm gonna bring it down over here. Some of the nice crud that came off of it right here. So all this grease right here, and then some on the back. Of course, this dirty water that was super clean when I first started, that nastiness. You still see it right there. Look at that. Next one I want to try, and maybe this one I'll do half. That'll be easier to see the difference. So I'm gonna zoom into here. Check out all that good stuff that's on it, caked on. With this one, I'm going to use only half, just so we can be able to compare. This super clean, dissolves grease super easy and super fast. All right, so I'm just going to spray this. There you go. It has 2 settings. One's like the setting goes super. It has a stream, and this one's more of a spray, of a mist. So we're going to see how well this one does compared to the foam one. Notice how this one does not have that visual effect like the other one, but it's just as effective. Right, so you guys ready for the next requirement? In order to win at the end, you must be a subscriber to my channel, okay? It's been about a minute or 2. Just gonna spray it one more time before I start to rub it. Rub it down, see what we see on the other side. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it's picking up almost like a chocolatey type of consistency when I'm rubbing on it. That tells me that the product is releasing a lot of the grease from my grate. Just gonna do it one more time. And then what I'm gonna do here is I'm actually going to spray it one more time like I did the other one before I use the hose, the water pressure, regular water pressure. I'm not even using a pressure washer. It's just regular water pressure. Now I'm primarily focusing on barbecue items that you can clean, but like I said, these things can be used on a lot of different other things. You can use them for drain openers, wax floors, garbage disposals, ovens, fireplaces, appliances, laundry, barbecue grills, plastic furniture outside, driveways, garage containers, chrome, steel, decks, vinyls, engines, auto parts, tools. You can use them on carpets. You can use them pretty much on anything, not only to degrease, but to also clean. I have a whole list of things that these babies can do. All right, it is on the alkaline level. It's at number 13 out of 14, so it's not acidic. But enough talking, let's see this baby in action, and we're gonna be able to compare side by side. And again, this is just a quick demonstration. I'm not even doing it fully the way I'm supposed to. But how cool is this? You can actually see the weld spots where they welded the stuff when I first got it. And you have this side, which is your clean side right here. And now you have this side, which is your dirty side. I don't know if you can, if the camera can pick that up. But it still has a lot of grime over here. Look at that. Just by doing that one time, I mean, that should tell you a lot. Right here, this is a clean side. I'm gonna use my hand. Clean. Do it again. Clean. Do it again. Clean. This side, uncleaned. One time, nastiness. I mean, visual, right? Visual, visual, visual. And then the last one I wanted to kind of give like a demonstration on would be your grill cleaner, because hey, this is what you use to clean, but it has a lot of grime. It has a lot of the good stuff caught in between. So I want to see how well this thing works to clean my grill cleaner. For this one, just because it makes it easier for you guys to see, I'm going to use the spray, the aerosol spray, so you guys can see it. I'm going to apply some right there. Try to get it all in the nooks and crannies of this. And I'm going to let it sit for a little bit, and then I'm going to go over everything else that needs to be done in order to win. All right, so I'm just gonna put that right there. Can you guys see that? Yep. So the last thing here is to fill out a Google form that I'm gonna have a link on the description below. And this is not, I'm not asking you for personal information. All I'm asking you for is your YouTube handle that you subscribe to my channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and cross-reference that. And I'm gonna ask you for an email address. Once you are selected the winner, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna email you directly so I can get your complete name, address, so I can forward that to Super Clean so that we can get your products out to you as soon as possible. All right, so those are the basic things. Let's go over the rules again. It's free to enter. There's no strings attached. Winners will be selected when my channel reaches 7,000 subscribers. You can enter even though you have already previously subscribed, because I can go and check who all my subscribers are. Super Clean will ship the products directly from their headquarters, and the winner will be selected at random, and the Google form has to be filled out. All right, and how do you enter? First things first, you have to watch the entire video. You have to like this video, you have to subscribe to my channel, and you have to fill out that simple 2-questionnaire Google form. How do we get to 7,000? Spread the word so everybody knows that we're trying to get to 7,000. So the more people subscribe, the faster I get to give this out, and they also get to watch this video, and they also get to see the effects of this product on, let's say, barbecue accessories. You know what? I'm gonna mix it up here. I'm gonna now see how this thing, look, it even left a little bit of that grease already here. So next thing I'm gonna do is, instead of using that foam, I'm just gonna use this one. Just why not, right? Let's just go ahead and apply this over without even scrubbing it. These things are already starting to look, without even scrubbing it. I mean, just with the finger, these things are coming off. I mean, that itself tells you how powerful this thing is, and it's biodegradable. This thing's gonna slip. All right, let's put a little bit of water pressure. Nastiness, look at that. Turn it around. Again, I'm not even doing this the way I would normally do it. I'm just kind of doing this to demonstrate how good the products are. So I'm not even making an effort to really clean this baby out. And we can already see a difference. Almost as good as new. Look at that. No elbow grease whatsoever. Just spray and water pressure, and regular water pressure. Spray this baby one more time, just because I really like the way it cleaned it. I mean, it cuts your cleaning in half. your effort in half. More than anything, how much time you're gonna spend cleaning this baby. All right, here we go again. Now you see there's not that much grease coming out because we got it cleaned out the first time. I mean, it's almost like night and day here. Check this out. The chrome is chroming. It's shiny again. Check it out. Nice. All right, guys, so spread the word. 7K is the goal. Once we get the 7,000, we'll go ahead and we'll go ahead and raffle these babies off. But once again, this has been the Smoking Beard. Thank you for watching. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and go and sign up through my Google form to see if hopefully you're the lucky winner. Thank you for watching, guys.